Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Wix. This is an essential skill for building a smooth, navigable website that guides your visitors exactly where you want them to go. Let's get started. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, click on Site and Mobile App at the top of the page. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Website to proceed to your website management area. Now you'll see all the websites you have on your Wix account displayed in front of you. Take a moment to look for the specific website you wish to add your page link to. This is important because if you manage multiple sites, you want to make sure you're editing the correct one before making any changes. Once you've located the right website, we need to head over to the Wix Harmony editor to make this linking function possible. Look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This will open up the full editor interface where you can customize and build out your site's design and functionality. Now, on the top left side part of your screen, look for the plus Add button. This is where all the website elements are located, everything from text boxes to images to buttons. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, look for the button section. Add a button to your website by dragging it directly onto your canvas wherever you'd like it to appear. Position it in a spot that makes sense for your layout and user flow. With your button now on the canvas, look at the top part of your screen where you'll see the customization menu for that button. From here, locate the link button and click on it. A new window will pop up. Select Choose a Link to see your options. Now there are 4 options visible, and you can link this button to a page, section, web address, or a document. For our purposes today, select Page from this list. Next, look at the Page drop-down menu. This is where you choose the specific page you wish to link to. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear, showing you all the available pages you have on your website. Choose the page you want your button to redirect to. This could be your About page, Contact page, Services page, or any other page you've created. Once you've selected the correct page, click Done. Your button is now fully configured and will automatically redirect visitors to the page you assigned when they click on it. This simple linking technique helps create a seamless navigation experience across your entire Wix site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.